Hi everyone, it's Stan. Welcome back, and today's video we'll be talking about and hearing sounds of the Atari 8-bit. And we'll also be discussing a few of the publications, hard print form, that came out for the Atari home computers. Let's get started. One of the books I was fortunate to get my hands on was The Creative Atari. And as a little lead-in, we're going to use this book to showcase some of the possible sounds. And let's start it off with Percussive Sound Generator. Now let's try doorbell. Ooh, telephone bell. Well, there's some other sounds here. Alarm bell, explosion, American siren, European siren, ticking clock, klaxon, whistle and bomb, steam whistle. Yeah, those ones you'd find in a lot of games. But I will still type the very last one in. And that one, well, I won't tell you what that one is. I'll just let you hear this. Well, that was interesting. Let's see here. What did I do? Oh, I forgot. I accidentally had a hotkey. Oh, I learn something new every day. Cool. Actually, it was supposed to be sawing wood. Well, this book does have many other sections in it. Graphics, hardware and software, reviews of different programs, tutorials, a few user programs like Maze Master, Monster Combat, Scurry, Collision, and even Air Defense. And, of course, a lot of sample programs as well. And that is just this book. There was even a series of certain books. Oh, just wear my glasses to look more scholarly. Anyway, Compute's first book of Atari games. Let's see a few of the games that are in here. This one is Maze Master, mazing in 3D. In other words, there's not only this example of a one-level maze, but if there's more than one level, you've got little tunnels you can go to as well. So you can have up to 32 levels. There's a brain stretch for you. There's even a two-player game of tag and another maze game called Hidden Maze, where the more you travel through the maze, the more of it you see. Now for some two-player games like Blockade. Look familiar? Let's see what else we got here. Tank Duel. Well, the one that's on the cover, actually. Not that bad. Even have pickup sticks and poker solitaire. Even got some brain teasers. We have Math Man. Learn your times tables. Yeah, and this one is Word Hunt. Circle the words. You can enter your own words in this. Make your own puzzles. Total Recall. That looks familiar, huh? And there's even fast action games. Some of the fast action games are Chiseler, Closeout, gotta get them bargains, Ski, Thunderbird, and the most creatively named game of all time, Shoot. Well, they look the same as other games anyway, so why not have really unoriginal names? Shoot. Oh, they just call it Bang. Yeah. And the color versions of Poker Solitaire, Ski, Chiseler, and Thunderbird. Compute second book of Atari. Let's see what's in here. Basic joystick routine, joystick tester, some other utilities like for the keyboards, dumping the screen to a printer, memory testing. Another chapter is programming techniques. Another chapter is advanced graphics and game utilities. Chapter 4 is applications. Chapter 5 is beyond the basic programming language. Anyway, that is that one. Compute's third book of Atari. Exponents, reading keyboard codes, Atari timer, blink character, string arrays. Oh, sound. Applications in education. Spelling quiz, elementary numbers. CalCal, computerize your diet. Castle Quest. Oh. Scriptor, an Atari word processor. Scriptor sounds like something from Masters of the Universe or something. Graphics. Okay. Oh, with fonts, text, circles. Oh, here's some utilities. Joystick, cursor control. Automating your Atari. Adding commands to Atari Basic. All kinds of stuff. And advanced techniques. Oh, some games here. Starshot, Laser Gunner 2, The Cruncher. Oh, there's whatever that utility is. Yeah. And again, Beyond Basic. And another book. Something that a lot of Atari users or fans should know about is Mapping the Atari. This book does have some things about graphics and sound, other hardware utilities, but most of it is a listing of the various memory locations in the Atari and what they do. And I even have a few issues of Antic, Analog, and I even have an issue of Atari Explorer. Actually 16 of Analog Magazine and 18 issues of Antic. Well, hope you enjoyed this little presentation. Maybe next video I'll review some high-end, more advanced games. Until then, peace.